Okay, I will show you how to update your Prisonbreak version to version 1.13c or future Prisonbreak versions. First of all, of course, download the module version and unzip to extract your module. After you've unpacked it, the second thing you want to do is make a backup of your map version that you already have. So first navigate to your Pavlov VR project of your current map, go back to the root folder and just copy and paste it and name it however you want. After you have done your copy, just open up your original map again, since you have your backup. Open it up. So after you have opened your current project, you want to open up the important files and rename them to make sure that they don't get overwritten. In this case, the most important one is your player Steam IDs, since you store all of your Steam IDs. As example, as the map maker, you'd have your own Steam ID over here in this box. You want to just go to the file and rename it, add a little 1 to the end of it. After you have done that, you want to fix up the redirectory so you don't overwrite anything over. So just right click on the root folder, fix up redirectories. Okay, after you have fixed it up, that should be all ready. However, if you have any other modifications inside of your game mode, it's important that you change them. Example is if you have inside of a template went to the buttons and changed something with them, it's important that you rename them as well, otherwise you will mess up some links to those files. So after you have renamed all of your modified files, you will want to go to the root folder where you see a UGC number. Copy this number and just paste it into any text document so you have it for later. Now you can close up your Unreal Engine again and open up your module version, the newer version that you just extracted. Next thing you want to do is just to go into content, create a new folder, call it custom maps. Since we are recreating the file directory, make a new folder and just copy paste the UGC numbers inside of it. After you have done that, just open up your updated module version. After you have opened your new module version, you want to just select the Prisonbreak game mode and Prisonbreak template folders, open up your content, custom maps and UGC that you just created, and just drag and drop them in there. Okay, now we have moved those two folders successfully into the UGC folder. The next thing we want to do is to just right click on your content and hit fix up redirectories. This is important if anything didn't do it already. So it didn't do anything, that means everything is good and set. Now we can just close up Unreal Engine. Now that we moved everything over, let's make sure that everything worked fine. Just go into the contents folder and check if there are any folders named Prisonbreak in here. Since there are not, it means all of them moved over into the UGC folder. Now that we have everything set up, we can just copy the UGC folder, move over to your previous version that you have a backup from, just go into content, custom maps, and you have the same UGC folder, and just hit paste. Now you want to overwrite all of the files that it sees. So the next thing you want to do is to just open up your version again. Now that everything is done, we should check if everything moved over correctly, so just go into your Prisonbreak game mode folder and go into Prisonbreak game logic. If everything moved over properly, you should also see two player Steam IDs now, one from the newer module version, one from the older. So now if everything moved correctly, there are no errors, and if we just go over here in Prisonbreak, the big red box, hit this one icon, then you will see the current version, in this case 1.13, and everything is installed correctly. Last step to go from here is to just hit Window, go to Pavlov Workshop and hit Deploy and Submit. After you have successfully uploaded your version, just go in game and make sure that the version is actually correct, and I will show you how to do it now. Okay, now that you have successfully loaded into your map, just open your scoreboard and rotate to the back side, and if you updated it successfully, the new version should stand right here, and that shows that you made it properly. Good job! That's it.